Genius Kids. Cultivating love for learning.
Chapter 19. Rights and Duties. Learning Points. Knowledge Acquisition. After completing this chapter, we will be able to know about the Constitution of India, means of democracy and secularism, our fundamental rights and duties, the directive principles. Introduction. The Constitution of India. It is the longest written constitution in the world. The Constitution is a set of rules and laws in written form by which the government rules a country. In India, the Constitution came into effect on 26th January 1950. And we celebrate this day every year as a Republic Day. A Constituent Assembly was formed to frame Constitution. Dr. Rajendra Prasad was the President of the Assembly. Dr. B.R. Ambedkar was the Chairman of the Drafting Committee. Rules and laws were prepared, and the Constitution of India was adopted on 26th January 1950, and India became Republic. Our Constitution is based on three principles: democracy, socialism, and secularism. Democracy is a form of government which is elected by the people of country for their welfare. Democracy enables all the Indian more than 18 years to vote and elected representatives in order to form the government. Secularism means that every citizen has the right to follow any religion, and all the people of all religions should be treated equally by the government. Socialism ensures that all people are equal and holds equal rights in the eyes of law. There should be no discrimination on any kind of basis like caste, religion, color, status, education, occupation, etc. Equal opportunities should be given to all citizens. Fundamental rights. Our Constitution provides certain fundamental rights to all the citizens of India. There are 6 fundamental rights. 1. Right to equality. 2. Right to freedom. A. Freedom of speech and expression. B. Freedom of assembly. C. Freedom of association. D. Freedom of movement. E. Freedom of residence and settlement. F. Freedom of profession, occupation, trade or business. 3. Right to justice. 4. Right to religion. 5. Cultural and educational rights. 6. Right to move the court to seek constitution remedies. Fundamental duties. We should perform some fundamental duties. Some of them are as below. 1. Respect the ideas laid in the Constitution. 2. Respect the national flag and national anthem. 3. Avoid acts of violence. 4. Take care of public property. 5. Take care of the environment. 6. Help to keep the country united. 7. Hold the spirit of harmony and brotherhood. 8. Defend the country in times of need. Directive principles. The Constitution has also laid down certain guidelines or principles for the government to follow. They are called directive principles. They help the government to work for the welfare of its citizens, which makes sure that 1. People should have better living conditions. 2. Both men and women get equal wages for equal work. 3. All children up to the age of 14 years should get free and compulsory education. 4. The interest and constitution of people belonging to backward classes of the society should be improved and protected. 5. Historical monuments of architecture importance should be protected by the government. The great leaders legendary and thoughtfully formulated the Constitution of India, keeping in mind the welfare of all the citizens. We, the citizens of India, must respect and follow our Constitution. Continuous review. The Constitution of India came into effect on 26 January 1950 and we celebrate this day as Republic Day. Dr. Bhimrao Ambedkar was the chairman of drafting committee. Dr. Rajendra Prasad was the president of the Constituent Assembly. Democracy is a form of government which is elected by the people of country.
Like, share and subscribe.